Hello, welcome to ShotCompare.com, your web-based player for professional video comparison. Let me provide a quick guide through our most important sites and features. When you arrive on the landing page, a small mesmerizing demo video of milk turned to chocolate milk welcomes you. But let's start a little journey for you to recreate and participate. First, we click on the menu button, which leads us through the support section to before and after downloads. You can see all types of VFX or color grading edits in a handy comparison format. For our quick guide, I choose and download these two videos by simply clicking download. If you're using Safari on a Mac like me, the zip file unzips automatically. After the successful download and unzipping, we go back to our start page and start uploading these files as before and after videos. As soon as the upload is finished, the playback starts automatically and the fun part begins. Now let's have a look at the possibilities of our ShotCompare player. As you can see, the before video and the after video of our comparison is played simultaneously. You can use this slider to provide a little more detailed look on specific parts of your video. Another great feature of our player is the BA on this right side here. You can toggle before and after on and off. If you want to go back to the side-by-side comparison, just click this button here. If you want to have a transparent line between these videos, you can click on this button. Of course, all these functions also work in full screen mode. Using this bar, you can toggle throughout your whole video, just like every other player as well. We can also use little frame-by-frame steps using these two arrows. If your video happens to be out of sync, there's a specific button for resyncing the video. The loop function is turned on by default. If you want to change it, you can just click it once and it's deactivated, so your video stops after one replay. For further examples and comparisons, you can visit the SC Player galleries. Thank you for watching, commenting and liking this video. If you want to keep yourself updated on this topic, make sure to also subscribe to this channel and click the bell.